pulses, we can make a rangoli with the pulses, different pulses. और after that we can use this pulses to eat the birds को खिलाने के लिए, उसको bird feed के लिए उसको भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, थ्रो नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरह से हम बच्चों को गाइड कर सकते हैं. नॉन फायर कुकिंग हो सकती है. जो फ्रूट्स है उससे वो अच्छे से उसको डेकोरेट करके उसका कुछ एलिमेंट, कुछ ड्राइंग, कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट तैयार कर सकते हैं.
Even while non-fire cooking is being done, if science teacher is present along with that cooking, so she can tell कि what is the relevance of like while somebody is preparing कि कुछ चीज़ें हम cook करके बनाते हैं, what all is required there, calorific value can be taught at starting में. We have calorific value, then burning, ignition, temperature and all that way. अगर कोई चीज़ cook हो रही है या फिर it's on heat, so why does it cook up faster, and how is something being prepared without food, without gas, etc. So all that can also be integrated with such. And since balanced diet is a general topic as well that we teach the students, we are including all the subjects, how they're making use of grains, pulses and all of the other food items, etc. that can be used up in different subjects. So how we are teaching them and what all can be used to demonstrate all the things as well. So we have divided each others in different subjects, and we'll be going subject wise accordingly. So we'll begin with the maths.
Okay, like in maths we can use the pie chart, and in pie chart we can use like different types of angles also we can show, and rest we can show direct and inverse proportion also we can teach. Like if one man need 25 gram of protein, then 2 men need how much proteins. Like this we can include this, and we can make pie chart using beans, spinach, like it is the source of proteins. And carbohydrates we can use potato chips and all. Similarly for others.
We can even in the same activity, what we can do is we have all of the things we have collected. We have asked the students to bring in all of the food items from home, anything raw. Some are bringing potatoes, some are bringing rice, some are bringing pulses. And now we are arranging a bigger chart paper, telling them that this is the thali that they have to arrange. And based on that, they can pick up the portions and they can arrange them. Uski baad then the teacher can tell them about proportions, then percentages of the nutrients that are required in the body. So all of that will also be included. Next one we have Hindi.
In order to make a language more interesting, we can also ask them to write slogans about saving the food. So खाना बचाना है और घर घर पहुँचाना है.
Okay. Then we have English.
In English we can ask them to make a recipe card. This way we can work on their vocabulary, their spellings, their presentation, and more important group work. And by doing that, we can tell them about the food prayer also. They can write small slogans also, because it's a group work. Everyone can't be good in English. Some children are good in drawing, presentation, and few girls who cannot write in English, at least they can contribute by writing something in Hindi also. So this way we can encourage the children and make everyone participate and come up with something of their own.
Next will be social science, the EVS.
Okay, so in social science what we can do, we can ask them to prepare any monument using any pulses or macaroni, whatever they feel like. Now we can ask them to demonstrate it and show them, tell us about the monument, that who built it, and they have to research about that monument. And even like if I introduce any other topics such as waste disposal, so there landfills and composting are there. So in our house we always we can always practice the method of composting. So in school also we can ask them to bring the waste materials, and then we can show them that how composting is done. So in that way we can tell them that if we use the organic manure to build the grow plants, then it will be much more nutritional to us.
And that way even for this
kind of they can use the different pulses and different materials to make these kind of and they can make a model on thermocol or something, and they can use different kind of food also, such as they can use a cake and they can make them floor by floor, and they can show it that parliament, a whole parliament. This will look beautiful, and this is great to grow back.
Next we can also show seed germination. So for seed germination, we can like I think in the junior class they are already told to take up grains, rajma, gram, etc. And throughout the week they have to observe that how does it grow. So with the same usage, we can use in science as well. Like we can integrate the same thing. That we are asking them to bring grains, and now they are also told in I think 6th standard that we are using this part. This part we are using ये leaf होता है किसी plant का. That for example spinach का हम क्या खाते हैं? We are consuming the leaf part of it. In potato, what are we consuming? It is the root part of it. So all of that can also be included. So we'll have the grains. We'll ask them कि what part will be serving as the root. So what all food items are there that we were already using in maths also. So the same thing can be used like on the same day they are conducting the activity. So जो भी चीजें roots में use होती हैं, they can put out at the root places. Then उसके बाद what all plants are being used for their leaves. So those leaves can be drawn on the leaf area. Then some of them are fruits. So those fruits can put out. So that way even a tree can be constructed, and they can also teach. This is how germination as well happens.
Thank you.
And lastly we'll have
officially. So before we start, we have come up with the two things. First, we tried to create a storyboard with a comic strip, and second, we have created our song, or you can call it a poem, and it's all based on Newton's law of gravity. Okay. So,
Brief introduction about Sir Isaac Newton. Date of birth January 4, 1643. Was born on January 4, 1643. Worsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. He was the founder of gravity.
so here we have a graphic novel. In a short span of time, this is what we could manage. So this is basically a very short graphic novel. If you can make it out, there are 4 panels to the graphic novel. So here Isaac Newton is sitting under the tree saying, lamenting, such a beautiful weather today. Second, suddenly something plop falls on his head. Lo and behold, ouch! He says, what just fell on my head? Third is, light bulb. I wonder what force is pulling it down. So here we have the final strip, which talks about what is gravity. The force that attracts a body towards the center of the earth. That is gravity.
It is equal to dmm upon r square.
That's the formula. Now we have a song coming up, or you can call it a kind of a poem.
A boy was sitting under a tree, a fruit came to him all in free. Then he was wondering why did it fall when the tree was standing tall. Is it a flaw? Is it a flaw? Or a law?
It's a gravitational force. F is equal to dmm upon r square.
Thank you.
Wonderful, amazing.
पहले बात करते हैं इनके ऑथर। सो ऑथर का नाम है लूसी मॉर मोंटेगोमरी। शी वाज बोर्न इन 1874 एंड शी डाइड इन 1942। तो बेसिकली ये कनेडियन ऑथर है, और जब ये बहुत छोटी थी, करीब 10 साल की थी, तो इनकी जो मदर है वो डेथ हो गई थी टीबी के कारण, और उसके बाद से बहुत साल तक ये ऐसे अकेले रहे। इनका कोई सिबलिंग भी नहीं था, बहुत अकेलापन था इनके साथ, और उसी ज़माने में लिखना स्टार्ट किया। लिखते लिखते उन्होंने चैप्टर भी लिखा है। आइए हम बात करते चैप्टर।
So the story of an invitation by I.M. Montgomery is a captivating tale that follows a journey of a simple invitation which sets in motion a series of unforeseen events. So the story of an invitation by I.M. Montgomery is the story about 2 girls, Bertha and Grace. Bertha was a popular girl of her class, loved by all the teachers, whereas Grace was shy, serious and had no family. Very quickly they caught each other's attention and became close friends.
By the end of the year, Bertha and Grace had become very close and they were making plans about their vacation. Bertha went on a vacation with her aunt Meg, who spoiled her, and she had a lot of fun, while Grace went to work at Clark's bookstore. Bertha felt bad about Grace having a boring vacation and invited her over to spend the vacation with her and Aunt Meg. They had a lot of fun and Grace gained a new family.
Okay, by this story, basically we are telling the children how to integrate this with the art also.
So the child will make a friendship basket in which they can write idioms, they can write the poems, they can write one-liner for their own best friends, like how they are, what are the dislikes, what are the qualities. So like this, they are going to integrate with the art.
So basic reason was that for integrating this was a pre-reading activity done by the children over there. So they described about their friend as well. So they used simple present tense, right? So our focus was entirely on usage of tense properly. Then they learned new words, like vocabulary building was there. So they learned synonyms, antonyms, verbs, adjectives related to the word friendship or friend. They talk like describe your friend, so they use those things. Then we used one flower, means each flower and each leaf should represent something related to the literature. It's not about only the beautification, but the language was integrated thoroughly and properly in this. So children did it, and the last one was then was supposed to create any poem or some lines related to friendship, which our team has already also done. So that was means previous knowledge was included, new things learned, and creation was also done. So this way we were able to have a proper journey of learning. Please have a look here.
नमस्कार, हम सबको अपने अपने हिस्से का कुछ ना कुछ करना है। तो जब ये काम दिया गया कि भाई आप कुछ लिखिए, ये 4 लाइन मैंने लिखी है दोस्ती के ऊपर कि हर एक के जीवन में दोस्ती, हर एक के जीवन में दोस्ती हो ये ज़रूरी है। बिना दोस्ती के खुशी मेरी अधूरी है। कुछ दुख हो कुछ खुशी ज़रूरी है। हर एक वक्त पे मिले साथ मेरे यारों का, सुबह शाम दिनों रात ये ज़रूरी है।
हमने एक लैंग्वेज के साथ दूसरे को भी मर्ज कर दिया। It's not based on only English language, so it is about another language included in it. Now another one, please.
So this story is about friendship, and I have written a poem on this chapter. The name of the chapter, the name of the poem is Friendship. It is a story of their amity. Partha and Gracie are 2 fairies. One bubbly and full of fire, the other is mostly cladded in tears. Often for lifetime and with no hope, Gracie is too dark inside to receive a ring. Partha is a beauty at heart, would always have happiness and love to pay. In friendship, they find each other, best souls to share and love and care. Sacrifice is just another word, and their hopeful prayers were always heard.
Wonderful. Yes, please do guess which is the most prominent activity style over there? Literary? Yes, because they all shared their own dialogues in their own language, and they made this art. Please, ma'am, show it to me. This art, friendship, vocabulary basket as well. And then it was poem also that they have written, and multidisciplinary approach because they have integrated Hindi language as well, and the concept is being enhanced in different languages. Wonderful, wonderful.
सड़क सुरक्षा के बारे में।
पता नहीं मुझसे क्या गलती हो गई, कैसे ये लग रही, मुझे भी इतनी चोटें लगी। इस बच्चे की गलती है नहीं, आपने ऐसे उनको ठीक तरीके से
आपने भी गलती की है, आपने सीट बेल्ट नहीं पहना है, जो कि सुरक्षा का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट नियम है।
और आगे से आपने एक और गलती भी की है, आपने हेलमेट नहीं पहना है। आप चलिए, वो आपको बहुत ज्यादा चोट कर गई, अब अपना इलाज भी कराइए और चलिए थाने अपना चालान भी भरिए।
तो देखा आपने दोस्तों, इतनी छोटी छोटी नियमों का पालन ना करने से
लाइफ में अपनी इम्पोर्टेंट लाइफ फैमिली मेम्बर्स की खो देते हैं। तो इसीलिए ये 3 नियम जो अभी हमने आपके सामने प्रस्तुत किए, इनका पालन
हमेशा
करें।
इनका पालन कीजिए, पालन कीजिए, पालन कीजिए।